Yo guys, welcome back to another video on my channel Tristan Trading, and for this video I'll be showing you guys a simple and effective 1-minute scalping strategy that will only be using the RSI indicator. But before we start this video, make sure to check out the FEDEX exchange. FEDEX is a crypto trading exchange that has a wide variety of pairs for you to trade from. As you can see, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade Cardano, and you can use up to leverage of 125x, which is important for people with small capital. You also can have fees as low as 0.02% at VIP 0 and 0.04% for your taker fees. And if you sign up with my link below, you get free VIP 1 and cheaper maker fees. Also, if you sign up with the link below, you'll get a standard $2 bonus when you sign up, and also have a free 5% extra deposit amount that will be credited as bonus. And the bonus that you use can be used for your trading losses or for your trading fees. So let's say if you deposit $1,000, you get a $50 bonus, or even $10,000, you get $500 bonus. So anyways, sign up with the link below for a FEDEX account, and let's continue with the video. So anyways, for this strategy, the indicators that you'll be needing, as I just said, you'll be needing 2 RSI indicators. So click it twice. Okay, for the first indicator, this will be your main indicator. You're gonna remove everything except for the RSI and the upper band, middle band, and lower band. For this, change the time frame to 1 minute, and you want to change the colors of the bands. So you're gonna change it to green for this one, bold it and make it a proper line, and change the value to 60. For this, make it white, change it to 100% opacity, and make it, keep it as 50. And for the lower band, gonna make it 40 value, change it to red and bold it and make it a solid line. And as you can see, we have 3 indicator lines. For this, you can change the colors to anything you want. I'm gonna make it to white, orange color. And yeah, that's it for your first RSI. And the next RSI, you're gonna remove everything to clear out the noise. You're gonna have it to yellow in color, and you're gonna change the time frame to the 15-minute time frame. And for this, you're gonna move it to the pane above so that it'll be merged up. So for this, you're gonna pin it to the scale. So pin it to scale A. So there we have, this is the indicator that you'll be using. So let me explain to you what the indicator is. So the 15-minute RSI, which is your RSI, is your trend indicator. When the yellow line is below the red line, you want to go into a short position because you know that it is oversold and it is in a downtrend. Same thing, when the yellow RSI is above the green RSI, you want to go for long positions because you know that we are in an uptrend when it's overbought. So how about when the yellow line is in between the green and the red line? These areas are the areas that you do not want to trade because you know that the market is ranging and there's no clear trend. So yeah, basically go short when it's below the red line and go long when it is above the green line. So next up, what is your entry for the trade? So you already know that when the yellow line is below the red line, you want to go short. So next up, you want to wait for the orange line to touch the green line. So in this case here, we have the yellow line below the red line, and we have a pullback to the green line. So your entry will be on the candle that breaks the RSI. So basically the candle that enters the here when it breaks the green line, that is your candle. So in this case here, this is the candle that broke the green line here. So you enter on that candle, and for this you can use ATR indicator. So let's see here, your ATR value for this will be 1.8. so you can have a 2 ATR stop loss and a 2:1 ratio, and that will be a win. So now you can see that still, if you look on the indicator, you can see that it is still below the red line and we want to go short. So we're gonna wait for a break above the green line, and here we have it. Here is the candle that broke the RSI, and we look on the ATR, that is a 3 ATR. 1.5 ATR times 2 is 3. So we're going to take that, and we have a 2:1. So the ATR is 3.6, so we might have been stopped out here depending on the bids and asks of the exchange itself. So yeah, same thing here, we have a break above the green and we will take that trade here, but unfortunately the ATR is 2.4 and we will be stopped out there. However, this is only a 0.22% loss, so that is quite okay. So here we have a break above and you will take that trade, but however this will be a loss right here. The ATR is 0.6, so there's a small 0.1% loss, so that's fine. But anyways, yeah, the rules are pretty simple. You just want to wait for a trend direction and you want to wait for a pullback. So let's see one more trade right here. We have a new break below and we have a touch on the green RSI 60 value. We enter on this candle and we look at the ATR, it's 1.4, so we have a 2 ATR stop loss and a 2:1 risk to reward ratio, and that will be a win right there. And here we have another pullback to the green line, and that would be an entry. Let's look at the ATR again, 3.4 for a 2 ATR stop loss and a 2:1, and that would be another win. So yeah, this strategy is pretty simple. I'm gonna look for when the yellow RSI is above. So let's see right here, we zoom in, here we have a break above and we have the lines here. So you see that the yellow RSI has broken above the green zone, which means that we are in a long position zone, and that will be right here. And we have a touch on the red line right there, so we enter on this candle where it touched. Look at the ATR, we have a 2.8 ATR and a 2:1. That will be a win right there. So in this case here, we have a break below, so we wouldn't below the green line, and we wouldn't enter this position because it's no longer above the green line. So let me look for another long position, see if there's any long positions. So you can see that in this type of markets where it's very rangy, you know that the RSI is in between these zones, and these zones are the zones that you do not want to trade in. So always wait for a break above or a break below. So let me find one more example. So let's see right here, we have a break above and we have a touch on the zone right here. So this is a trade that you might not take because the line just recently broke below. However, if you take that, this would be another win, and you hit the take profit like that. So anyways, yeah, this is it looks complicated, the indicator, but the rules are pretty simple. You can just change it to any color that you prefer to make it look easier. But yeah, just wait for the yellow to break either above the green line or below the red line for different short or long positions, and you just want to wait for the pullback of the 1 minute RSI to either the red or the green line for the entry. So simple strategy, and yeah, that's it for the strategy. And make sure to check out the FEDEX link below to sign up for extra deposit bonuses and welcome bonuses that can be used for your trading fees and profits. So thank you guys for watching, and see y'all in my other videos.